The St. Toolies community in Manchester remains tense following the fatal shooting of 3 men by the police on Monday. Residents have been calling for increased police presence and questioned whether a curfew would be imposed out of fear of reprisal shootings. Councillor for the Poorest Division, Claudia Morant-Baker, provided an update at the recent sitting of the Mandeville Municipal Corporation.
Some persons do have concern that reprisal shooting might take place because they might assume that they were informed, but the police reassured them this is not so. So they just encourage the police to visit the community more often and that they can feel more reassured knowing that the police presence are within their space.
In the meantime, Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division, Carl Smith, says he's taken note of 4 murders in his division in recent weeks. He told the council he'll be engaging the police in discussions.
It is very unfortunate that I spoke about it in the last meeting that we were going on well in the Knockpatrick space, only to be extremely disappointed. I think there was about 1, 2, 3 or 4 killings in the Knockpatrick space, which led to almost the entire Knockpatrick division being placed under curfew. I am not aware if the curfew is still in effect, but we welcome the curfew, anything that can give us a change. And just to let this council know, I have been in dialogue with Inspector Brooks. I had a meeting with him and his team about how we can change things in the Knockpatrick space, and not only the Knockpatrick space, but the entire parish.